Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Maritza, and today I'm going to be talking about Canva versus Designer, which one I love and which one you should be using. Let's begin. One thing that I absolutely love about Designer is that it's already has within it something called Word Genie, and Word Genie is powered by ChatGPT, so you can automatically input the information for the book that you're trying to create, and it will give you options and suggestions, like title suggestions as to what it can be called, and everything is keyword optimized. It produces a complete outline of your book and what that's going to look like, and it basically creates the book for you. Now, this is perfect. This is a perfect software to use if you have limited time and you want to create lead magnets. If you're trying to develop a brand and you're trying to create an audience and grow your audience, Designer is perfect for lead magnets. It can create your lead magnets in seconds. You can come up with one lead magnet per week using something like Designer. That is if you're trying to grow your email list, you're trying to grow your audience, and you want to give them something for free, or you're creating a brand and you want to offer your customers on Amazon a free ebook to go along with the product that they're purchasing, whether it's a journal, an ebook, a novel, whatever it could be. However, there's nothing like Canva. And Canva has hundreds of book cover templates, and even has, depending on which one you choose, it does have the interior pages designed that you can go ahead and modify. So you have that where Designer and Canva have that in common. You can definitely modify things and make it your own. However, the big difference is that with Canva, it does not have Word Genie. It doesn't have that feature where it will write the entire book for you, outline and all that good stuff, making it so easy for you to produce a book here. If you go ahead and produce here a book on Canva, you can still customize it, and you could use ChatGPT and copy and paste the information from ChatGPT onto here, the file that you've created on Canva, and you just continue to add pages and you just copy and paste the text. Whether you use Canva or Designer, you still have to edit your content. I'm a big believer that if you use AI, anything that is AI written, you must edit it and make it your own. So whether you use Designer or you use Canva, you still have to edit your content. And one of the ways that I love to edit my content, and as a ghostwriter, that's the number one tool that I use, is Grammarly. It's a powerful tool and it edits to perfection. Which one do I like most? Well, I'll tell you this. I love both tools because they can serve different purposes. If you want to create lead magnets and books a little bit faster, definitely use Designer. But if you want to go ahead and take your time and create, well, it could be a novel, it could be a short story, it could be a poem, it could be a book about inspirational quotes, meditation, you name it. You can go ahead and use Canva and just copy and paste from a doc or from ChatGPT, and you could edit it on Canva, or you could just copy and paste it on a Word doc and edit it there using Grammarly, and then transfer. Once it's edited, you transfer it over to whether it's Designer or Canva. So that was that. I hope that this was helpful. I'm going to go ahead and drop the links down below. Go ahead and check out Designer. It's definitely a time saver, and it's extremely helpful, especially when you're trying to develop a brand. Leave your comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you use. What do you prefer? Do you love Canva? Or maybe you have a hard time using Canva. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.